YouTube channel, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be installing a frontal wig for the first time without any professional help. I'll be doing this just for myself. I know it's been a while since I posted the video, but let's just get right into this today. So first of all, I went in with my eco styling gel to lay my edges backwards and just leave my hair flat in front, and then I put on a wig cap. And this is the wig. I've never had a frontal wig installed by a professional or anybody. I'm just trying this out for the first time. I already used a foundation brush to blend in my foundation shade underneath the lace because the lace was really white. Yeah, now I am just sectioning out the part I'll be using for my baby hair. That is a lot of baby hair, y'all. But I'm here for the tryouts. I promise it's gonna come out fine and lovely. Yeah, this is me just battling with the hair because I don't even know why the middle of the hair looks like that. I'm taking out baby hair on the other side, as you can see. I'm just using the rattle comb to get a straight line, and now I got a hairpin to hold the side of my head down. I did that on both parts of the hair so that I'll be comfortable with the front. And now let's get to work. This is me just looking and seeing if this hair isn't too much, but I'm like, you know what? I'll just do it like that. And now I got my like a spray gel. Yes, and it worked, guys. I didn't want no glue. I did not want any air glue. I did not want the issue that comes with air glue because I'm not scared, but I just did not want any hair glue. I want to be able to take this off whenever I want to take it off. So I got a spray gel and that worked for me. Yo, that stuff was so cold. It was just cooling my head as I was spraying it in. So I tied the head down so the spray gel can settle in and sort of glue to my head, forehead. Yeah, I know this is supposed to take about minutes. Some people leave it for hours, but I ain't got time for that. Yeah, I sure did not wait up to an hour. I went in with this tiny scissors from my mani-pedi set. I gotta improvise. I don't know if that's what they use, but I'm improvising. Yeah, creative Lord. Let's just get this job done. This is me being careful. I did not cut too close to the hair, okay? This is what I did. I actually sectioned like 3 parts of the hair. I cut through the middle, the right and the left, and I had to cut section by section, and I made sure not to cut too close to the hair. I gave a bit of gap between the hair and where I was cutting out. Okay, so this is me because I didn't wait for too long for the spray gel to dry off, make it melt in my skin. This is me just pulling the hair forward because that thing did not stick at first. So I made sure the next time I was going to lay it down, I took a bit longer. This is me just trimming off excess lace. I don't know why the middle of this wig be hanging up like that. I just don't know. The heat was getting intense here because I did not want to mess up this new hair that I got by cutting it the wrong way, and I was just trying to be really careful. Like, don't make it too short. Don't regret this. You know, there's this anxiety that comes with you cutting your hair or cutting any hair at all. Like, you don't want to mess it up.
That should do.
What is this hand movement? Like, I'm trying to dissect. What is this? What was I doing? Confusion. But yeah, we're cutting it. Go get it, girl. Go get it, girl. Anyways, I did it. Yeah, I did it. And here comes my little victory dance. Yay. So, nísìnyí mo ti yọ kíní airband tí mo ń lò. I took out the airband, and as you can see, the hair is more stuck on my head than it was before. This part of the hair was tricky because the lace seemed longer than my head. Anyway, I had to cut the part out so everything can be balanced. And now I just began laying the edges like so. The part that I left off of the edges were really long, but I still made it work. And voila, I'm done with the first part. And we go to the second part of the hair. So as for the middle part that was sticking out, I just used a lash glue for just that middle part that was sticking up. And here is the finished look. Look at me looking all gorgeous, yummy, delicious. I did my makeup myself. You can go check out my page at TLE Beauty page, and that's my makeup brand page. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and do give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you feel about this video or anything about my channel in general. Let's just talk in the comments. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.